Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is how you can hack your neighbor's Wi-Fi password within 1 minute. So go to the network that you are connected to, the taskbar, then connect to your neighbor Wi-Fi. So you just click on the property. Then on the property, on this part, as you can see, we have the password, we have the public, and we have the private. So this network is configured as private. So go back to the settings. Then on the settings, we have so many things. We have the home, this is the home part. Then we have the status. This is the status of the network that is connected to. Then we have the Wi-Fi, this particular section. Then we have the dial-up. Then we have the VPN, airplane mode. We have the mobile hotspot and the proxy. So for this one, go to the status. You just click the status. Then on the status section, go to the advanced network setting where we have change adapter option, network sharing center, and the network troubleshooter, among other options. So go to the specifically to the change the adapter option. Now we will have this dialog, these box are appearing whereby we will have try to where we have the Bluetooth network connection, the local area connection, the virtual box host, and we have this one, the Wi-Fi. As you can see, this is the name of the Wi-Fi, our neighbor's Wi-Fi. So I will click on double click on the Wi-Fi that you want to extract the password. Then we have the details. This is the name of then the number of the speed. You can see the speed, then the strength. Then we have the sent and the received. Okay, go to the wireless property. For the wireless property, we have the connections where we have the name of the network and the access point and all the users. So go specifically on to the security so that you can see the password of your neighbor's password. So you click on this particular pass, and at that particular point you will be able to see the password of your neighbor's Wi-Fi. It's that simple. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe after watching. Continue supporting the channel by subscribing, sharing with your friends, and also in case you have any suggestion, write it on the comment section. Thank you, and bye bye.